It's not time for presents yet, Doggy Go. Santa Claus has to come down the chimney first.
Oh, I just remembered. He won't get down our chimney. It's blocked.
Blocked?
Yes, it's all blocked up with soot. Henry Fix will be coming to clean it after Christmas.
But if Santa Claus can't get down the chimney, how will he deliver our Christmas presents?
Well, he's Santa, so he's probably got his elves to help him. An elf will be small enough to climb in through the letterbox and open the door.
I don't think that's how Santa would do it. He's probably able to make the presents float through walls.
But you don't know?
No, no one does.
Then we have to let Santa know he can't get down our chimney.
But how would we even let him know?
I can send him a letter.
That's a good idea. You write the letter and we'll go to the post office. Santa gets letters all year round.
Mya has written her emergency letter to Santa. But they'll need to be as fast as Santa if they want to send it in time for Christmas.
Dada Go, Mya Go, what's brought you two out here on Christmas Eve?
We have to post a letter to Santa right away, Larry sent.
I'm afraid the last post to the North Pole is already gone, Mya, and we're not open again till after Christmas.
So we're too late?
Too late for what?
To let Santa know he can't climb down our chimney to deliver his presents.
Don't worry about that, Mya. Santa will still be able to deliver your presents. See, his sleigh has robot arms that squeeze into tight spaces. That's how I think he does it. However he does it, one thing's for sure, he'll find his way in. Well, good night now. Merry Christmas.
What do we do now, Dada?
I don't know. It's not like we can stay up all night and open the door for Santa.
You're a genius, Dada!
I am?
And Maya's not done with her merry mission just yet. And now she and Dadago are back home, Mya can put her plan into action.
I thought I said we couldn't stay up all night.
But we have to stay up, so we can let Santa in the front door like you said.
Is that what I said? I suppose we can stay up a little while longer.
Looks like Mya and Dadago are in for a long night. Ooh, maybe not that long after all. Staying up past bedtime is harder than it looks, and there's still no sign of Santa. But wait, what's this? It's Santa Claus! How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Mya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year.
Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho,